What's going on? I'm up early this morning because that is disappearing. Taking the car to get some PDR done, and if everything goes good, you'll see the rest of this video of the finished product. But I'm tired of driving around like that. It's gonna be so nice to have it fixed again. Catch you in a little bit. What is going on? I'm coming back with my finished video to my PDR. It's all complete. It's been a few weeks. I had to drop it off for a few days because it was rather intensive, but it's complete. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car and Mama's truck. I'll come back and I'll show you the results. All right, both vehicles are clean. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around and I'll show you how well it turned out. If you're in Houston and you're interested in the guy who I had do it, I'll have his information in here too. But let me go ahead and turn the camera around. We'll show you the difference. I would say it came out about 90%, which is fine for me. It saves me the hassle of paint and body work and all of that. But especially compared to what it was, it still has the, still retain the factory paint. And if you're in Houston and you're looking for some PDR work, Benny at Dent Champion, he took care of me.